The 757 has been a great success for Boeing, with 1,050 aircraft built before production ended in 2004. The type found a popular place in airline fleets with its short takeoff performance and medium-range capabilities. Indeed, airlines are still struggling to replace it, with the A321XLR only offering a partial solution. So, as Boeing considers its next mid-size aircraft, would an update to the 757 be a good option? While the topic has been covered extensively, we thought we'd take a look at it ourselves as Boeing continues to stay silent on its next commercial aircraft offering. When it comes to the 757, the -200 variant offers a much higher range than other narrow-bodies. The jet is capable of flying 3,915 nautical miles, or 7,250 kilometers, and can easily handle US coast-to-coast flights, as well as performing well with low-demand transatlantic services. Later narrow bodies such as the 737 MAX still fail to meet the range of the 757, although the long-range narrow bodies from Airbus do compete. It's also known for its performance in hot and dry and high-altitude environments. With a higher thrust-to-weight ratio, the type can operate from shorter runways with a lower takeoff speed and spectacular climb performance. When production of the 757 ended in 2004, Boeing was left without a direct replacement option for the type, something that is still the case today. The 737 MAX offers neither the range nor the hot and short field performance of the 757, although it does improve efficiency. A relaunch of the 757 could prove to be an excellent move. If the type's range and efficiency can be increased, the jet's mid-size capacity and ability to operate at smaller airports could ensure solid sales. Flight Global noted in 2015 that Boeing had considered revising the 757 a couple of times, but never saw the business case for this. Several reasons were cited, including the limited demand for that aircraft range and the high cost of 757 production. Then Boeing Vice President Randy Tinseth said of the 757, "That airplane had a very unique production system. It was relatively expensive to build compared to the 737. Suspending the NMA program has left Boeing without an offering in the mid-size long-range market. Previous 757 customers have struggled to find replacements, and it's fair to say that Airbus has now moved ahead with the A321neo and its longer-range variants. Several airlines are seeing the A321XLR as a 757-200 replacement. It works for capacity and range, but lacks the performance characteristics of the 757. A new clean sheet design would be great, but this could cost much more time and money. On the other hand, an update to an existing aircraft could be faster and cheaper, while ensuring commonality with previous types. The most important upgrade to the 757 would be new engines. Engine technology and efficiency have moved on a great deal since the launch of the 757. Re-engineing is nothing new. Engine upgrades have been made to the 737 since the 1970s, continued of course today with the 737 MAX. The 777X is of course also a re-engined version of an existing type. Beyond engines, we would obviously see a fully modern cockpit with all of the advanced controls and displays available today. Boeing would probably stay with a conventional metal fuselage like the 737 MAX and 777X, rather than the composite build of the 787 or A350. This would keep costs lower while still ensuring efficiency gains through updated wing designs, which could be composed of carbon fiber like the 777X. Sadly, all of this is just wishful thinking. At the end of the day, however, Boeing clearly needs to decide on something to replace the gap left by the 757. It knew this before its NMA plans, but the issue has become more pressing following the success of the A321XLR and rumours of an Airbus A322 coming in the near future. Do you think Boeing should update the 757? If it does, what kinds of updates do you think we would see? Let us know in the comments. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles and a podcast every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.